Got a distressed house you don't want? We buy houses in any condition and pay cash. You pay no realtor fees, no closing costs, and can close as fast as 7 days. KM Home Buyers is the top-rated cash home buying company in the Tampa Bay area by Google 5-star reviews. We're a family-owned and operated cash home buying company who you can trust to assist you through this process and get you the highest cash offer for your home. Does your home need expensive repairs? Want to downsize? Facing a foreclosure? Worried about finances? Have an unfortunate death in the family? We take the pressure off and buy your home as is for cash. No repairs, no upgrades needed, and no formal inspections. You can even choose the closing date. We make it easy to get the cash out of your home. Call now, 813-213-4884, or complete our easy online submission form. Schedule your brief 15-minute appointment and we'll give you the highest offer possible. Then close in just 7 days. Sell your home as is, the fast and easy way with KM Home Buyers. Call us today for a free, no obligation offer.